Good day, folks. Welcome back to part two of Polygons and Angles presented by Sparkkk. Please remember to share and also subscribe to the channel so that you can keep on receiving latest updates when posts are done. Without further ado, let's dive into part two of Angles and Polygon. First, we want a definition of a polygon. Well, a polygon is a closed shape. So this is a closed shape made up of straight edges or sides. So this is a closed shape, meaning wherever we start from, we should end at the same point. Then, how many sides does a heptagon have? I mean, these are just general names. When we say hepta, we are pointing to 7. So this has got 7 sides. Calculate the interior angle of a regular pentagon. Wow, pentagon. So from our formula, pentagon, it means 5. So it's 5 minus 2 over 5 multiplied by 180. And when we do so, we are dividing 180 here by 5. That's 3. There it will be remainder 3. So that will be 36. 36 times the 3 that we get here, I think it takes us to 108 degrees. So each interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108. Find the exterior angle of a regular hexagon. Well, for exterior angle, we are simply saying 360 degrees divided by, because it has got 6 sides, it means each exterior angle is actually 60 degrees in size, because when we divide 36 by 6, it gives us 6, so that will be 60 degrees. Still moving. If the interior angle is 60 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? Well, interior angle, we know if the interior is 60. In other words, we are saying one of the supplementary angles has to be um, um, 120. And 120 now become, or here we have exterior angle is 60. Then how many sides? So if the exterior angle is 60, in essence, we are simply saying we know the sum is 360 over 60. So here we have got 6 sides. Find the interior angle if the exterior angle is 35. Or if the exterior angle is 35, we know they are supplementary. In other words, they add up to 180 degrees. So when I do my computation there, I think it will give us an interior angle of 145 degrees. Then moving to number 7, state the sum of exterior angles of any polygon. Well, the sum is constant is always 360 degrees. Calculate the interior angle of a regular octagon. So we need interior angle of a regular octagon. Octagon means 8. So our formula says 8 n minus 2 over n multiplied by 180 degrees. Let's try and have a look here. When I do this difference, it gives me 6. And from this 6, when I simplify, it looks like here I have 3, then I have 4. Let me try and see if I can divide 180 by 4. 18 divided by 4, I think it gets in 4 times, so remainder 2. So that will give me 45 degrees. So when I multiply 3 by 45, it looks like it takes me to 130 5 degrees, I think. Let's see, 3 times 5, 15, carry 1, 12, 13, it's 135 degrees. So that's the interior angle of a regular octagon. Still moving to number 9. Find the exterior angle of a regular decagon. Decagon means 10. So we're interested in the exterior angle. So this will be 360 divided by 10, because we have 10 sides. So it means each exterior angle is generally 36 degrees in size. Explain the relationship between interior and exterior angles. So these are supplementary. Supplementary. What do we mean by supplementary? In essence, we are saying they add up to 180 degrees. I think basically that's it for the introduction to angles and polygons. I hope you find this informative. Please remember to share, like, and also subscribe to the channel so that you can continuously receive updates when new recordings are done. Bye for now.